Hi everyone, I'm Scott with DynaScan, and welcome to our booth here at ISE 2025. DynaScan's award-winning window displays provide an all-in-one solution specifically designed for window-facing applications. Designed to perform in direct sunlight, they deliver exceptional brightness, clarity, and versatility, helping you attract and engage viewers. Whether you're designing a modern, eye-catching storefront or elevating an in-store experience with dynamic visuals, the DW series is engineered for versatility. Its sleek, ultra-slim profile seamlessly integrates into any environment. High-end design features include hidden cable management for a clean, professional look, both portrait and landscape orientations, and versatile mounting options such as ceiling mounts and floor stand compatibility. These displays provide sunlight viewable brightness levels, ensuring video content shines brightly to viewers outside. The DW series offers support for Intel Smart Display Modules. Intel SDM delivers a compact, high-performance, and modular solution, allowing for seamless integration without the need for bulky external media players. Its modular design also allows for easy upgrades, ensuring your display technology stays future-ready with minimal downtime or additional infrastructure. For even greater flexibility, an optional integrated wireless module provides seamless 4G or Wi-Fi connectivity, keeping your displays connected no matter where they are. Whether installed in a retail storefront, a transportation hub, or an outdoor venue, this wireless capability ensures reliable access to cloud-based content, remote management, and live updates. This year, we are excited to introduce the newest and largest addition to the lineup, the impressive 75-inch DW series display. With its massive size and exceptional image quality, this display brings content to life like never before. Whether showcasing products, promotions, or interactive experiences, the life-size visuals create an immersive, almost tangible presence that captivates viewers. Perfect for retail storefronts, showrooms, and high-traffic areas, the ultra-bright screen ensures stunning clarity even in direct sunlight. From fashion to automotive and beyond, the 75-inch DW series display transforms ordinary content into an unforgettable, larger-than-life experience. The DW series is designed to captivate, delivering stunning visuals, versatility, and seamless integration. From sleek storefronts to immersive in-store experiences, the design and sunlight readability helps to ensure your content stands out. And now, with the introduction of the 75-inch model, your messaging can be bigger and bolder than ever. For more information about the DynaScan DW series, please visit our website at dynascan.com.